Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Nexus Ghost 36DS. What I love about this motorhome is the chassis. This is made on an international MV chassis. It's 360 horsepower with 800 pound-feet of torque, towing a true 20,000 pounds, which is absolutely phenomenal. Coming on down the side, what I love about Nexus, what they've used, which is different from everybody else, everybody's doing aluminum structure. Nexus does steel structure. It's 72% stronger, which means 72% safer, and for their sidewalls, they do use the Asdale sidewall composite, which is a green-based material that will never delaminate on you. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside the Nexus Ghost, this is an awesome floor plan. First thing I want everybody to realize, look at how tall the ceilings are. I can't even touch that. Right up here, you're trucking in this chassis. This is a big chassis. This is the motorhome if somebody wants something that can tow a lot, or if they're very tall and they can't fit in a normal traditional Class C. You have a bunk over the cab right here, and like a captain's video game chair right there. And then your TV entertainment center's there, and it's adjacent to the main sofa area. And then coming on down, we do have a nice dinette. It does drop down to make a bed. Very decent kitchen right here, but even more impressive is this huge residential refrigerator. I love that. Coming on down the side here, we do have nice bunk beds, bunk over bunk, good size, and it sleeps adults. Into the bathroom, we have a 24x36 shower, and right here, a toilet that's in a great placement. And then wrapping up into the master bedroom, you can see that this has a huge king-size bed. Nice big windows and tall cabinetry all the way around. And then right here, this wardrobe area has a ton of storage. Well guys, thanks so much for checking out this quick 2-minute tour. If you want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you're ready to buy this unit, click the link down below, fill out that contact form, and one of our Super C specialists will get in contact with you and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.